or plants that you should have in your bedroom to sleep well. A great number of people suffer from sleep disorders such as insomnia and sleep apnea, which can have a negative effect on their health. The sleep apnea is a common sleep disorder known as an interrupted breathing while you sleep. People who have this problem and do not take anything to treat it can stop breathing repeatedly while they sleep. In other words, the brain and the body may not get enough oxygen. There are two types of sleep apnea. EYESIGHT, obstructive sleep apnea, occurs when there is a blockage of the airway and the back of the throat's soft tissue collapses while sleeping. The second one is known as central sleep apnea. In this case, the airway is not blocked but the brain is not able to signal the muscles to breathe due to instability in the respiratory control center. The sleep apnea is a disorder that can affect any person, regardless of the age. There are many factors that can contribute to the occurrence of sleep apnea, and the most common include having a family history of sleep apnea, being overweight, gastroesophageal reflux, being over the age of 40, being male, and nasal obstructions due to allergies, deviated septum, and sinus problems. However, the great news is that there is an easy and natural way to improve your sleep. All you have to do is plant some of these plants in your bedroom and enjoy the calm atmosphere. 1. Snake plant. This plant can improve the quality of the air by releasing more oxygen overnight. In this way, it improves your breathing. 2. Lavender. Lavender has the ability to relieve stress and anxiety due to the potent relaxing properties it possesses. It can make your bedroom perfect place for rest and sleep by slowing the heart rate and providing calm. 3. English ivy. English ivy is definitely one of the easiest plants to grow. It releases oxygen, absorbs the air toxins, enhances the quality of the air, thus helps breathing. Moreover, it can reduce airborne up to 94%. 4. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is an incredible plant that can release a lot of oxygen overnight, which provides calm and peace and helps insomnia.